In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up powerful AI extension in Visual Studio Code that can seriously boost your productivity. So these steps lets you use AI tools directly inside your coding environment, which is perfect if you want faster editing, coding, better suggestion and less time spent searching for solution. So first open up Visual Studio Code. This is one of the most popular code editor out there and it works great for almost any type of development. If you don't have Visual Studio Code installed yet, just go to the official Visual Studio Code uh, website and download it for your operating system. So as you can see here, this is this website where you can download it. So once you have installed, go ahead and open it. It looks something like that. When code launches, you are already inside a powerful development environment that makes it perfect place to integrate AI tools that can help you write code faster and smarter. Now let's install an AI extension. This extension allows VScode to connect with external AI services like OpenAI, Cursor, and so on, which can give you code suggestion, autocomplete, and even generate full code blocks. So now how to install it? Go here on the left side to extensions, or you can press Ctrl Shift and X, open up, and type in the code GPT, or so I will go with this cursor right here, install this one. So I will install this one like that. Give it a few seconds while VScode downloads and set everything up. After the extension is installed, we need to connect it to an AI service. To do that, you will need an API key. So how to do that? Think of it, the key as a source link between VS Code and the AI engine. So open the settings menu in the VS Code by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner right here. In the settings search bar, look for extension you installed. So click on that. Sorry, like here, extensions. Open up like that and look for cursor right here. Inside the extension settings, you will see a field where you can paste your API key. So it's access token. So if you're using Cursor, you open up this app and right here go to the settings. Right here you will see settings, integration. So integration, here you will see your API key if you make this one. So here you will see your API keys, and yeah, that's it. Um, you have now successfully set up an AI powered extension inside Visual Studio Code. From now on, you will get smart code assistants right where you write your code. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.